little salt. Whoa, that's a lot of pepper. That'll work. That's fine. Get that white cooked. Hope y'all having a good day. We're gonna do the old bacon, cheese, English muffin. These little egg ring molds you can get on Amazon. They're like $10 for 4 of these things. I love English muffins, so I usually have them. Probably go ahead and take this off. Check on this. All right, almost ready. I'll get back to you. All right, threw a little bit of butter on that English muffin. Flip this egg. Bacon on. Turn off the heat. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's runny. All right. Show you this. There we go. Oh man. Shoot. That's less than $1.